Next is our first prone posture, which is Cobra Bujangasana. This is really good for your upper back, especially if you tend to have that rounding sensation, that kyphosis in your upper back. It works to open the front of you back up to take that pressure out of your shoulders. It also strengthens your low back, it strengthens your legs, and it strengthens your arm. It broadens your chest and opens your heart. So we'll begin by hands underneath the shoulders. You want your thumbs right across your chest, right next to your ribs, and you squeeze and narrow your elbows so that they're the same distance as your rib cage. Squeeze your legs together against the midline so you can feel your inner thighs touch. Push your hip bones against the mat so you feel your glutes engage. The tops of your feet stay down on the mat. Exhale your breath. And on your inhale, you peel your chin and your collarbone and your chest up without using your arms at first. See how far you can get without using your arms. Try not to look straight ahead into the mirror. Lift your chin, otherwise you're seeing yourself, and you want to lift the chin up above your own reflection. Pull the floor back rather than pushing it forward, and try not to push down into the floor. Try to do this with your spine. Take a deep breath in, shoulders back, and lower down, rib by rib. When your chin comes to the center of the floor, then turn and rest your left cheek on the mat, arms by your side, palms up.